Hello world, today I'll be doing a review of the iGadgitz Xtra Rechargeable Solar Power Radio. And the reason why I bought it, because you can power it multiple ways by USB, solar power, or you can wind it up. And it's a basic AM FM radio with a 3.5 headphone jack. And it's compact and light. So it has a built-in battery. And these are the specs that's on the back. So let's open it up and I'll show you what's included. So you get the USB, which is pretty short. And since I got this as a gift for someone, I had this adapter laying around, so when I give it to this person, I'll give them that. So if you do buy it and you want to plug it into the wall, you have to keep that in mind. So this is how you turn it on and control the volume. So it's on FM. It's on AM. So you have the USB to charge it on this side, and the headphone jack. Change the station, turn it on and off, and control the volume. The antenna, which is pretty long. And to charge it by solar power, by the sun. And this indicator will show when it's being charged. So when you plug it in, or you have a lot of lights, or you winding it up, it will be blue like that. And so far, it was very affordable, so I'm happy with this purchase. I hope this helped you. Have a nice day.